In the middle of a huge flare-up and running anyways. Let's talk about toxic mold. What is toxic mold? I'm going to try to do this just without notes. Toxic mold is referring to molds that emit mycotoxins, toxic chemical compounds meant to be a defense to these molds. So yes, they can be found outdoors. They're very readily found indoors in water-damaged households and buildings. And there are a handful that are well known for damp buildings. And one, so we talked about toxic mold. Well, what is black mold? And sometimes people equate the two, toxic black mold. What people are referring to is Stachybotrys, which puts off some nasty mycotoxins and can make people very sick. It's found a little more rare, but it is found in homes. It's specifically in places that are staying damp. So, if you have like a leak that's like dripping, maybe you're not detecting it, or a basement that's just staying wet, or a crawl space. But Stachybotrys, although it's a black mold, there are other black molds that aren't toxic in the sense that they emit mycotoxins. That doesn't mean they're not going to cause other health issues. Usually when they don't produce mycotoxins, they still produce allergic responses. So, runny nose, itchy eyes, maybe some respiratory stuff, but it's different. The mycotoxins get in deeper, they get weighted deeper in the lungs, then they can get into your circulatory system. They cross the blood-brain barrier, they cross the placenta. If a mama's pregnant, they can get into the breast milk. They can hijack our mitochondria, and some of them can basically mimic certain other cells or hormones even. So it's a lot different. Some of the more common ones are Aspergillus, Penicillium, Catonium, Fusarium, that are found in water-damaged buildings. All of those produce mycotoxins. We'll go into more detail in the next video. Happy Moldy Monday late in health.